camera off.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am, today is my good morning, ma'am. There is my power issue. In my building.
Good morning, Swati ma'am.
Good morning, Swati.
Today I also have some power problem, network issue. I don't know. So please cooperate. Once you get the link, start copying and start solving it. I shall be sending it
Ma'am,
exactly till 9:05. We will wait for others, everybody, and then we shall start. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, ma'am. Hello.
Hmm.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Expecting 54 people. Still we are 44. But after 3-4 minutes, I shall be sending you the link. Okay. I hope you all are ready with revision, grammar revision specially. Lakshay, finish fast.
Ma'am, it is Google Form or Google Doc.
Google form. You will have to just turn in.
Ma'am, is it MCQs or we have to write the
Okay, ma'am.
answer?
MCQs, beta. MCQs. Difference. A little bit difference. Am I properly audible? Am I properly audible?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
somewhere your voice is breaking.
Yes,
Somewhere.
ma'am.
Ma'am. No, ma'am,
And
your voice
today,
is very clear.
yeah, for few people it is breaking. For few people it is very clear. So I shall, whatever I'm speaking, I shall be sending through the chat also. Listen carefully. Last three questions will be long answers, but long answer doesn't mean very long. I expect you to write down only in one line, but that will be one full sentence. Is that clear? Though in the question it will be 3-4 sentences or 5-6 sentences, but you will have to write down the answer only in one full sentence. All others, first 27 questions will be MCQs and 28, 29, 30 will be one line question answer. Okay? Is that clear?
So, ma'am, that one line question answers we have
You have
to
to
write
write.
their own question answers, or you had teachers that question answers?
I did not get you, Prisha. The question paper will be same, whether it is long answer or short answer.
Means I'm saying that we have to make our own answer sentences, or we have to
The question will be
write
asked
it in
accordingly. We
short
will
answers.
form the sentence.
We have to form. Okay.
Dhairya, switch off your mic.
In the classroom.
Dhairya,
Swati ma'am.
Who is talking? Who wants to talk to me?
Dhairya. Ma'am, means there are few questions which are long, so we have to make in one sentence short, right? Okay. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. You have
yes.
said
Ah, don't say ma'am, ma'am. Speak out.
you have sent the link in the classroom.
Link, please go through the classroom and start. Lama, go through the classroom and start. Sia, Mohit, Ayush, go through the classroom, beta. I have already started. Pasted link over there. I will not paste that link in the chat box. Only and only in the classroom. Start, beta. Who, the paper has already started. Where are you?
Riva and Twisha, you are requested
And
to
there is no
please
link in the
check.
classroom.
Other children, they got the link and you are saying ma'am has not sent the link there.
I have refresh again your classroom. Ma'am, it is come now. I refresh the classroom, then it come. Ma'am is asking you need permission. Ma'am, in my also. It is not coming back. It is permission.
Have you got it? Dhruv Patel, is your problem solved?
And I have opened it, but I cannot choose any of the options.
Try again. Dheru, can you? Devyasha, Migdad, can you?
Ma'am, I can do. We can select the options. Ma'am,
Two different links. Any one of that will work.
you need permission. Ma'am, I connect. Uh, ma'am, it is Google Docs or Google Form.
Docs nahi, form. Very simple. Those who cannot type in that, write down the answers in the notebook and send me the pics. Farzan, are you paying attention? Farzan, every now and then I will have to call you, beta. I don't want you to leave. Turn only and only towards the
Ma'am, I'm
laptop.
doing only.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm doing only.
Okay. So see, very simple. Those who cannot open it, those who, I mean, open means those who cannot edit it, typing or anything, start writing the answers in the notebook. Only answer, question number, answer, question number, answer. Send me the pics. Simple. Don't waste your time. Riva, at least the question paper you can see. Arav, you can see the question paper.
Yes,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am,
I
I
can see.
can't see it.
But I can see it. It's on just unique
So then start
combination.
writing in the notebook.
Ma'am, Riva is saying that she cannot even see the paper.
So I am asking her. Camera.
Your voice is also breaking, ma'am. I can't hear you properly. Riva,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am is asking you.
You
Just
read paper, Riva?
Yeah, ma'am, now it's opening. Ma'am, but sorry for it. I'm opening the Google form and my camera is going off. Ma'am, where is
Okay.
the link of?
Okay. Huh?
Where is the link?
In the classroom. Link is in the classroom. Communication.
Ma'am, in my it is saying that you have to sign in first. Verify it is you.
Trisha, maybe some other person has log in now from other ID. So you just go with your ID again.
Ma'am, I have done it, but it is saying that the password is wrong. Communication method.
Sia Patel, it is in the classroom only where you get messages na, from ma'am in the classroom. There only ma'am has said.
Classroom method.
Sia, just switch off your mic.
Now, what is the meaning of launched?
Dead. It is longed. Launched. Vaidi, what do you want?
Only I am saying I am good girl, yeah, bad girl.
Don't want that, Vaidi. I made you understand yesterday that you don't have to send in the boxes. Don't send messages, Vaidi. Yesterday, 10 minutes I talked with you and I made you understand. Start solving the paper, Vaidi. Everybody is solving the paper.
Ma'am, but my connection is not okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Sia.
Ma'am, when is the question paper?
It is in the classroom. Ma'am has sent the link.
Okay, ma'am.
Swati ma'am, just read the chat na. Twisha has sent.
Ma'am, in question number 8, there are two answers. So what can I? There are two answers. So what can I do?
See the paper properly. There are no two answers.
Ma'am, I have seen it properly and in the question 8. There is.
Taking, but you are saying wrong.
Okay.
Do you have any
Excuse me,
idea? Can
ma'am.
we send it to mall?
Excuse me, Swati, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt in the question number 30. Do we have to write 5 to 6 sentences? Only
Be
one,
clear
right?
before you start the paper. Ah. Even if I have written 4, 5 sentence, 5, 6 sentence, 10, 12, you have to write only one. How much place is
Okay.
given, that much answer you write.
Okay. Okay.
Swati ma'am, can you just present the screen and show them where the link is?
Do you have any idea that can we send a link in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am. You just paste and send the link in the chat box. Now, Sia, you just try it out.
Swati ma'am, uh, in the Google form I submitted the form, then it was showing the last three questions wrong. But we have to describe it in our own words, then why it is showing wrong?
Supposed to write down only in one sentence.
Swati ma'am done with the CT.
30 will be the last minute. Huh? At 9:30 we shall stop. Okay, then till 9:30 you are allowed to just take a break.
Excuse me, ma'am. In the last one, you have written in 5 to 6 sentences. So, and in this, you have told one sentence. So, in that, it was 5 to 6.
Only.
Ma'am, ma'am, we should,
Speak out instead of saying ma'am, ma'am.
ma'am, we have to write all the six answers.
Dhyan Patel, you are doing with the student test ID, na? Dhyan, na? The name of the child is
Dhruv Patel.
Dhruv Patel. Okay, Dhruv. Fine. Okay.
Swati ma'am, I am able to write 5 to 5 sentences in the last question. So, I can write 5 sentences. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, you will check it manually. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the sentences I think you will check manually, right? Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think still Sia is facing difficulty.
Ma'am, I have submitted my CT.
Swati ma'am, just you present the screen and show the paper so that she can do it, the questions instead of writing.
Ma'am, Swati ma'am, I am confused in 30th question. Like we have to
Only one or two sentences.
only one or two, but we have to write uh, why we should maintain social distancing.
Mind you can write down. You can write down importance. You can write down how, why, what, everything.
Okay. Ma'am, my I wrote the last three questions and I submitted. It's saying these three questions are wrong.
Everyone are requested to just switch off your mic. Ma'am will know
Ma'am.
one by one.
Ma'am, my CT is done assignment, so can I leave?
Ma'am, can I say something?
No one will leave.
Ma'am, can I ask something?
30, we are starting story presentation.
Ma'am, can I ask
Answer in what you
something?
want to say.
Ma'am, I want to say that tomorrow was Migda's turn and you just said, so at the last he said that ready with the story because he was really, you didn't check the chat box when he said that, yes ma'am, I'm ready with one story, I can present, but
Verbally, I had answered him. By the time of the class was over, few of you had to attend the Hindi reading classes as well. I could not
yes,
extend the timing of the class.
yes. So ma'am, his chance got missed. So can you ask him today? Because actually he was not able to do so. I called Zora ma'am and said that let him at least try. Say him at least try. The story is good, not good. Let him at least try. So no, he is ready with the story. Why? I don't know why he's not telling the story. That with one story.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Swati ma'am, just talk to Khevna. Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me. That last three
Shivna,
questions. Yes.
one line. You have to write down answer in one line.
Yes, ma'am. I wrote in one line, but and then I submitted. Now it's showing that my last three questions are wrong.
Ma'am, my all three answers
Nine, ma'am. My
wrong.
last three questions are wrong. It is showing.
Ma'am,
That I will check manually.
Good morning, children.
Yes, ma'am. It is showing. Then.
Good morning, children.
Good
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
I have been listening to your concerns since a long time now and would like to just ask, is this the first time that you are doing an assessment? Show me thumbs up or thumbs down, yes or no. Is this the first time that we are doing the assessment? Very nice. So you've done it before, right? Okay. So you all already know that if you write the answers in sentences, then there are chances that the form marks will come as wrong, right? And you already know that the teacher corrects the your paper, and she gives you the marks, right? You already know that? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up, thumbs down. So then what is the confusion all about? What is the confusion all about? I just don't understand. Why do we have to intervene in grade 4? I especially have to leave all my work and come only in grade 4 to understand what's wrong. Yes, Khevna Ankolia, please
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself. You have.
Ma'am, that last three questions are wrong, so I just.
Khevna, you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am. I got the answer.
Very good. Please mute yourself. Anybody doubt? Please put it in the chat box. Ma'am, I have doubt. Can I speak? Or just say, ma'am, I have doubt. And I will cater to your doubts. Tell me. Wow, smart children. Nobody has no doubts. Now I expect you to please concentrate on your assessment. This is an important assessment for you all. I think you should concentrate on your assessment and work on it. Yes, Jahan, please open your mic and ask what doubt do you have?
Yes, ma'am. So there's this one question. It's question 7. It's a dash honest man is having dash ice cream.
Yes.
I wrote the answer the, but the correct answer is an.
Jahan,
Yeah.
Jahan, do you know the rules of the assessment? When on the day of the assessment, you are not supposed to reveal the answers. One. Second, if in case of any doubts, you can ask it the next day and the teacher will answer. Or the teacher or will discuss the paper with you. All right, Jahan? So next time, I hope that you will keep this in your mind and you are not supposed to discuss the answers right on the day of the assessment.
Yeah.
Am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is not for this time. This is for next time also. For if you, this is for your reference for future also. Is that clear, Jahan? Great. Anybody else? No discussion of answers are accepted or entertained here. There are children doing Lamha, I'll get back to you. There are children who are doing an assessment, and it becomes our responsibility to be quiet and let them do their assessment instead of chattering all the time. Grade 4. Yes, Lamha, open your mic and ask.
Yeah, ma'am. I wanted to ask that in one question, it was coming that my answer was wrong. I completely understand that my answer was wrong, but it was when the right answer is X0 something.
Lamha, we discussed this. We are not going to discuss this separately with everyone. Today, we are not discussing the answers.
But my answer was right then also it was showing.
Lamha, I said ma'am will check it manually. Did I say that, beta? बोला था मैंने, तो फिर बस खत्म हो गई बात. अगर आपका मैनुअली चेक होने के बाद भी गलत है तो हम ये डाउट रेस करेंगे, right? Our first step we give the assessment. Second step, in case of any doubts, we discuss it on the next day. The third step is wait for the teacher to check the assessment. Still, if you have the doubt, then please question. All right. So right now it's just the first step that you have filled the assessment form. That's it. Okay. Yes, Swati ma'am, please carry on. What is the next process? What is the next step right now?
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
It's okay, ma'am. What are they doing now? Swati ma'am.
I hope that it is 9:32, so the timing of the paper is all over. So now I request everybody to get ready for story presentation. Okay. Mr. Rajodia Man, 10 times I have already told you, and since last 3 days it is being told to you again and again and again and again that 3 times I have given you the chance. All the 3 times you made some excuses or you presented something very bad. Now for the 4th time, I will not give you the chance because this is a kind of assessment. I cannot every day entertain Man Rajodia. Story presentation is all over for you. Yesterday, Freya Daya, one other boy whose presentation is already done, they cannot ask me again and again presentation. I'm giving you marks for your story presentation here, and this was made clear to you. Now, Mr. Mikdad Motiwala, may I have you?
Yes, ma'am.
Motiwala Mikdad, yes. Please start your presentation fast.
Hello, my name is Mikdad Motiwala and I am going to present a story about ostriches can't fly. One day, a pack of some ostriches were walking, and there was a king of ostriches, which the ostriches said which was unique. Once he told the ostriches that he could fly. Then one of the ostriches said, "Can you fly for us?" So he said, "No, I can't. The air is in the opposite direction." Then the next day, again one of the ostriches asked the king ostrich that, "Can you fly?" So he again make the excuse that no, the air again is in the opposite direction. So one of the ostriches said that you fly the opposite way. Some of the ostriches got uh, fell by the thought of the ostrich. Then the king ostrich took the help of some birds. He told them that, "Can you make me fly?" They tried, but the king ostrich they flew, but the king ostrich fell. Then the king ostrich the ostriches decided to make no king. There was nothing special in the king ostrich. Then they lived freely. Thank you.
Good, Migdal. Good. Dhyan Dalal and Shelia. It is your turn. Who is ready? Dhyan Dalal and Dhyan Shelia. Now it is your turn.
Ma'am, who is Dhyan Shelia?
Ma'am, Dhyan Shelia's camera is off. Dhyan?
Means he is not present. He has
Yes.
just logged in and yes, went
Yes.
somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhyan Dalal, are you there?
No, ma'am.
Yesterday, Jyoti madam in Hindi class got very upset with Dhyan Dalal that he had logged in and he was no sign of him. There was no sign of Dhyan Dalal. So
Okay.
Jyoti madam was very upset yesterday. Even today he is doing the same.
Hello.
Yeah. Are you ready with your story? Okay, Yug Baria, please start.
The ox and the frog. An ox was grazing in a meadow. A frog in a pond nearby saw the ox and found it huge size. The frog started
Khevna, sit properly.
very jealous from the ox. It said to itself, "What a big creature this is. I wish I too could be as huge." Saying this, it let the to swell its body to the size of the ox. It breathed deeper and deeper and deeper, stopping time and again to check if it had reached the same size. It
please read the chat. Sia Patel.
Had not getting annoyed. Annoyed at the slow progress it went deeper and faster till it puffed itself up so much that it finally burst. Moral of the story: we should be happy with what we are and not try to copy others.
Was Yug. Now who else wants to present? Send me your name in the chat box. Only if your turn is not done. Huh? Only and only if your turn is not done. Vaidi, you had done yesterday. Oh, it is time up. Yes. Vaidi knows these things very well. Isn't it, Vaidi? Okay. Riddhi, are you ready for story presentation? Then all others can leave. Only Riddhi will be there and the reading stars. Reading students and Vaidi will be Riddhi
Okay,
will
bye,
be there.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Please take care. Bye, ma'am.
Stop making that noise. Riddhi, please start.
Two pots. There was two pots and a hard-working man called Bhimaya. Bhimaya had two pots. One pot was perfect, and the other pot was breaked, so the water leaked. So Bhimaya always get some water from the river in the two pots. So the perfect pot said to the leaking pot, "You are so bad. You waste water so much. Every day, the perfect pot do bad with the leaking pot." So the leaking pot shamed on him. The leaking pot said to Bhimaya, "Please reject me out. I waste a lot of water." So Bhimaya told, "No, I will not. Because see, this side only the flowers are there. And these flowers come and use for puja. That's why you are giving the water to these flowers and you are not wasting water. If the flowers do not get water, they will die and we cannot do the puja." Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Done.
Okay, good it was. Now you may leave. Reading students are ready?
Ma'am, please listen story from me.
Just a minute. Okay, how many of you are there? Okay, give me 2 more minutes. I shall be showing you the stories, but give me only 2 more minutes. Guna, your turn was over, no?
No, ma'am.
Story presentation.
No, ma'am.
Then if you are ready with, please start.
The name of the story is The Lion and the Cow. Once upon a time, there lived four cows in a forest. Every day, they used to gazing together. They all become friends. One day, the lion saw the cow gazing together. He, he planned to eat them. The lion went to eat the cow. All cow come together and fought with lion, and he ran away. After few days, the cow got collar and all gazing separately. Lion eat by one. The moral of the story is unity is strength.
Okay. Gunav, you tried nicely.
Thank you, ma'am. Can I leave the class?
Yes, Gunav. But Gunav, today is your reading turn. No, no. Then you may leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Now I am presenting a story. This is only for fun. So you read the story and then you may leave the class. It is not being presentation. Just wait.